Good day, my name is Mark Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in Wildomar that are facing financial difficulties and are calling me about the differences between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So I thought it helpful to put together a quick video and give you some of those distinctions that I'm able to talk about with my clients over the phone or in my office. The first distinction I want to make between a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is that a Chapter 7 discharges all of your debt, whereas a Chapter 13 is a repayment program where you're repaying a portion of that debt back to the creditors. Could be 10 cents on the dollar, could be 90 cents on the dollar, just depends on your income and a number of other factors, but you're repaying a portion of that debt. The second distinction that is important is that in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you can have from the date of filing a discharge from the bankruptcy court for all your debt within 90 to 120 days. So the time period goes by very quickly. In a Chapter 13 repayment program, you're repaying that debt to the trustee over a 3 to 5 year period. So it can take quite a bit longer to complete your Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And then finally, I think one of the most important distinctions we have here in the Inland Empire, especially with real estate, because our real estate is about 50% underwater, is that of lien stripping. You might have heard that term. What do I mean by that? Lien stripping is a process where you're able to strip or remove the second deed of trust from your home. So during the heyday, a lot of us in the Inland Empire took out a first and a second on the home, withdrew money from the home to build an addition or go to Jamaica or what have you. And that second encumbers the home. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you can strip the second from the home after you get a discharge. And why is that important? Because that stripping of the second is an immediate injection of equity back into your property. So when property values start to come back up, you have all that much less to repay. But you can't file a lien stripping process in Chapter 7. I've had a number of clients come into my office that have filed on their own or used a paralegal or used a friend to help them file bankruptcy. They tried to lien strip in the Chapter 7, and unfortunately it cannot be done. And even when you come to see me, an attorney, there's nothing I can do to help you lien strip your second once you've filed and get discharged from the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Those are some of the distinctions to think about. If you have some other questions or concerns about personal property you want to discuss, feel free to give my office a call. I'll be happy to sit down and discuss those with you.